how did you end up finding us?
Actually, our insurance agent, I talked to her and I said, I've heard through the grapevine, through other surgeons, that you could replace a patella with a cadaver. And they said it rarely works. It will give you maybe a year's worth of mobility.
Yes.
But at that point, I was willing to try anything.
I see.
But she worked with us and she found you.
I see.
And for
Took her 6 months.
Yeah.
There aren't that many of us that do this kind of work.
Oh, the original surgery.
Yeah.
That he could do nothing for me, and that the patella and everything was fine. It was just a matter of therapy.
Yes.
So even I knew that because the kneecap was sitting up on top of the thigh muscle.
And you could see it with your own eyes.
With my own eyes.
What were you being told when you would look at your leg and it didn't work?
Well, that I would always be like that. That I should be grateful just to have the leg, primarily. But
do you remember what it was like when your quad was detached? Can you remember what life was like, or how it was different?
It was painful all the time. It was using a walker constantly. Depression, because I thought it was over once that was torn. It was just, all the things that I can do now after the reconstruction, I can do again. So I don't have depression at all. I'm as up as I've ever been. So
what is it that you're able to do now with your leg?
I can do anything that I want. I go get wood, I bowl, I golf, now I get my leg back and all my mobility, and it is amazing to go through the airport with your own leg. And now I'm back to better than I was when I started.